Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to Channel Name. If you love jet setting but hate those sky-high airfare prices, stay tuned. Today, I'm gonna spill the beans on how to book flights like a pro and save big. Stick around till the end for some pro tips that will change the way you travel forever. Why does timing matter when booking flights? Airlines use complex algorithms to set ticket prices, and knowing these trends can score you the best deals. Prices fluctuate based on demand, seasonality, and even daily market changes. Booking at the right time can save you hundreds of dollars. So let's break it down. First up, domestic flights. According to studies, the sweet spot for booking domestic flights is between 1 to 3 months before you travel. Booking too early or late might mean higher costs. Usually around 70 days before your trip is golden, depending on the airline and season. Now for international flights. These need a bit more planning. The best window is 3 to 6 months in advance. But here's a breakdown for specific regions. Europe, 160 days in advance. Asia, 120 days in advance. The Caribbean, 75 days in advance. When's the best day to book flights? Tuesdays and Wednesdays are your go-to days. Airlines often drop fares on Monday evenings and competitors match by Tuesday morning. Avoid weekends because that's when everyone else is booking, driving prices up. And keep an eye on Thursday mornings for those last-minute price adjustments. Now, let's talk about the best days to fly. Midweek flights, particularly Tuesdays and Wednesdays, are usually the cheapest. Saturday afternoons or evenings can also be a sweet spot since business travelers head home on Fridays. Avoid peak days like Fridays, Sundays, and holiday eves. When should you avoid booking flights? Holiday seasons are a big no-no for last-minute bookings. Plan at least 2-3 months ahead for major holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, or summer breaks. Last-minute bookings can also be pricey since airlines know business travelers are willing to pay more. If you have to book late, aim for less busy days like Tuesday or Wednesday. And don't book domestic flights more than 6 months ahead. Prices can be higher since airlines haven't adjusted for demand yet. What are the best tools and websites for finding cheap flights? Google Flights is fantastic for setting fare alerts and finding alternate routes. Skyscanner compares prices across multiple airlines. Hopper predicts future flight prices and tells you when to book. Kayak and Momondo aggregate flight deals and hidden costs. And don't forget to sign up for airline price alerts to get promo deals and last-minute savings directly. Ready for some pro hacks? Use incognito mode while browsing. Airlines track searches and repeated searches can hike up prices. Sometimes booking 2 one-way tickets can be cheaper than a round trip. Check nearby airports. Flying into a smaller one can save you big bucks. Use points and miles from frequent flyer programs and credit card rewards. Be flexible with your dates. Shifting your trip by just a day or two can make a big difference. And finally, set fare alerts on Google Flights or Hopper to stay on top of price drops. That's it. Now you've got all the insider tips for booking flights and making the most of your travel budget. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on future travel tips. Drop a comment with your best flight booking hacks. I'd love to hear them. Happy travels and see you in the next video.